welcome back to the vlog channel. So today, me and Matty are just chilling in the office,
doing some editing.
Yeah, what are you editing?
The vlog. Well, it's not a vlog. It is a vlog, but it's going up on your main channel. It's the backstage, The Voice.
Yeah, basically we went backstage at The Voice and we basically take you guys around a little bit and show you, like, you know, behind the scenes. And I actually sang on stage with Oliver's.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
How long you been doing it for? Because I love going.
Yeah.
I was like,
It's so cringe.
I'm looking forward to it. Are you going to sing?
probably like, this girl is on fire. I'm so not good at singing.
This girl is on fire.
You know what the
He's
worst
so
part
good.
was though?
Yeah.
The worst part was when you like looked at the camera and said, because he said, how long you been doing this? And you looked at the camera as if to ask me.
Yeah.
And usually in a normal vlog I'd respond, but I was like, oh no, you know, I shouldn't say anything. So it was kind of like an awkward pause.
Yeah, it was a bit of an awkward pause, but yeah, it was fun. It was a really good day. So that video is going to be going up at some point soon. So stay tuned for that. But what are we doing today? Well, we're actually...
we're going to the live show
Yeah, we're going
today.
to the live show today, which I'm really quite excited for.
Quite overexposed.
Yeah.
That's better. It's really bright here.
So yeah, we're basically going to the live show today, which I'm quite excited for because I've never been to anything live before. Have you?
Nothing. Well, obviously you've been to like concerts and stuff.
Oh yeah, but like not televised things. Like this is actually going to be on TV.
I have. I've been to the WWE when I was younger.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I went to a couple of the WWE wrestling matches.
Oh, that's
which
quite
was
cool. Yeah.
I was actually on TV once.
Really?
Yeah, like the girl that sits on the back of the motorbike, she like high-fived me. And then
Wow.
the next week, like when I went to school, they were like, oh, yeah, it's on TV. I was like,
Wow, you win at live. Yeah, no, I've never been on anything like live, but we might actually be on TV because we are sitting in like the audience, and obviously they do film the audience.
kind of don't want to be on TV.
Yeah, I mean it's quite scary, but I'm quite excited for the show. It's the semi-finals, so
Oh,
it's
look
gonna
at
be good.
Sky.
Oh,
Her little arm. She hasn't made an appearance recently.
oh my god, baby,
The precious one.
baby girl. Hello. Oh, she's like, don't talk to me. I'm sleeping.
Say hello to the vlog.
Sky baby, come on. She looks so cute in her little fluffy blanket.
Yeah, let's put this over her.
Oh, baby girl, look at her little eye under there. Oh,
She's like, leave me.
she's like, leave me alone.
I'm tired.
Oh, cutie girl. Well, today's vlog is going to be quite an interesting one, and I'm hoping I can actually vlog like when we go and watch the show. Like they have said that I can, but I'm a little bit scared that maybe they'll take my camera off me at security, so fingers crossed. So Matt and I haven't actually showed you guys around like in our house recently, so I thought I'd show you quickly that we've actually put some pictures up on the walls, finally, like...
Well, they're just the old pictures from the old house.
Yeah, but
Same
how
positions.
long? How long did it take us to put these up? Like, we've been living here for how many
What
months?
was it? January, February, March. Like 4 months.
Oh my god. Yeah, so they're finally up. They're literally the exact same pictures. I have actually ordered some new ones, haven't I? Like from
Yeah, what,
Desenio.
you've ordered new ones for all of them?
Yeah, all of them, every
And?
single one. And we have these as well.
These are wonderful. Look, this picture here is one of a kind. You
Oh,
cannot
yeah,
get
no.
this anywhere else.
No. And yeah.
And
oh,
that's
good.
like a similar one.
Yeah, so obviously these aren't going to be here, but for now they've just got the easy frames in there.
I think that will make this room look a lot nicer, actually.
Yeah, I mean the walls were quite plain for like a long time, so I'm really glad that finally we're like getting things moving.
Yeah, it looks good over there. I mean, apart from the mess and stuff.
Yeah, ignore the mess, but yeah, it's coming along. We just need to sort this out, like the TV and the fireplace situation. Like,
yeah, I think that... I mean, come on, what do you think we're going to do?
oh, well, Matt basically wants us to do like a long fireplace. It's going to be like literally from here to like here.
Oh, but not
on the
that
whole
high
wall.
up, though.
Oh yeah, not that high up. It's going to be quite low, like that. And the TV is going to go on this wall, but the fireplace will just be like stretched out, and it's like a glass fireplace.
So like just a really long, low-down fireplace. TV above it, on one wall.
Because at the moment it's kind of like there's two feature pieces on one wall and it doesn't really go, and that's actually our coffee table, which I kind of want to use as a coffee table now.
I know, yeah.
So yeah, but I'm gonna miss this fireplace because I really like it. I kind of want to put this somewhere else in the house, I think.
Well,
like maybe in the hallway.
Yeah.
But I don't want it to go to waste, to be honest. Like it is a really nice sturdy fireplace, so yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll keep you guys updated.
Well, we better go to IKEA now.
Oh yeah, we actually want to go to IKEA because I want to get a mirror.
Well, that's not the main reason.
What?
The main reason is the hot dog. Let's
They
be
have
honest.
veggie hot dogs there, which are so good. Well, that's the main reason for you, isn't
veggie
it?
hot dogs that are 60p.
I know, they're so good. Like 60p, and then the chips come with it, and the drink, £1.50 for a drink, chips, and a hot dog. Like, how good is that? That's so good.
Oh, and second note, we're gonna get a mirror.
Oh yeah, it's like, yeah, that's like the side point. That's not the reason why we're going there for, like, or anything.
All right, let's go.
Oh, Royal Mail.
Postman's hat.
Ooh.
Royal Mail.
Royal Mail.
She's trying to get out.
Look what just came. I think this might be the print.
Oh, that is the prince.
Ah, sick. Let's have a
take
look.
that. Okay.
And I've also got another parcel. I don't know what this is.
Looks like a beauty kind of thing.
Yeah, probably.
Cool, let's open this.
Imagine if all the prints are in here. They could well be.
Well, they're all from the same company, so they should be.
Ah. Yeah, they're all from Diseño. Yeah, it is the prints. They're quite a cool company.
I think it might be all of them. It looks quite chunky.
Yeah. Oh, I'm excited. I didn't realise they would come this quick.
Yeah, it's only been a couple of days.
Okay. Oh, she wants to play with the tube. It's a shame it's not big enough for her to go in. This one, which is actually quite big, so we're going to have to cut it down. Sky, you can't. She's trying to play with the... Bless her.
What are you doing?
Oh. Oh no! Sky! No! Get off! She's going to crease them.
Alright,
Sky, come on, naughty little girl.
on.
She's like, I just want to play.
When are we going to put them in frames then?
Well, I would do it now, but we are kind of tight on time, so we have to go not on Keynes. Unless you want to do it now.
I do kind of want to.
Should we quickly do it then?
Let's just do the big ones then.
Okay, I'm going to get Sky out of here though, because she is just going to... Look, she was going for it! Yeah, you just undo these. These frames are from the range, if you guys are wondering. They were quite cheap, actually. They were like £9 each, I think. Oh, it's sliding down. Okay. So we have just put the prints in, and this is what they look like.
Oh, first time.
Yay! They look really good.
They do look good, actually.
They've added a bit of colour to like this room now, because it's obviously all so grey. Yeah, they look good. I like them.
They're quite reflective, the plastic, aren't they?
They are, yeah. It's a shame, but...
I guess they all are, really.
Yeah, those ones are quite reflective too, you can see, but...
Should we just do all of them then?
We might as
Should we
well
just do them
then.
all?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright.
So this is the last one. How does it look?
Well, we'll give you a minute to put it on first.
Oh, okay.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Think it's all straight? I think that looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does
What
look
do you
good.
guys think? I mean, it looks definitely a lot better than how it looked before. Because all the prints that I had before were just like printouts, like literally. Those ones were printed out, and this one I actually drew myself, so they weren't really the best.
Well, we've got a lot of recycling to do.
Yeah, definitely a lot to clean up. And also, I just quickly wanted to show you guys. This is the candle, obviously from my range, which is obviously going to be launching in like what, few months. We're still not quite there yet. We're working super hard every single day to try and get this product launched as soon as possible. But I've been burning it.
We've ordered products.
Yay, we
We have
have!
some products coming.
Little update, yeah. I think we've got products coming next week that we can like start taking photos of, and baby, she's in the little thing again. Oh,
She's mental.
baby. She is the weirdest cat ever. But anyways, as I was saying, these candles have literally been, well, I've been burning this one with Matt for about 20 hours now, and it's still like got so much in it. So yeah, we're definitely putting it to the test. Oh my God, it smells so good. Yeah, we're putting these to the test before we, you know, actually release them to you guys.
My new cat handbag.
You're just walking around with her.
She's happy with it, look.
Oh.
Go for a little jog.
Oh, I can just see her little tail in the back.
We could go on the treadmill.
Girly. Oh, she loves it.
Should we go Milton Keynes then?
Cute. Yeah, let's go Milton Keynes now. I'm hungry. So we have now made it to IKEA, and I just quickly want to tell you guys a tragic story that happened to me just before I left. Basically, I almost broke my nail because I was playing with that like long tube that the posters came in with Sky, and I was like bashing it on the floor, and my nail somehow got caught on the tube, and it literally like bent up that I felt like I broke it. It literally looked broken when I first looked at it, and I was in so much shock. I was like, oh my god, oh my god. I like ran out of the room, didn't I? You were like, what happened?
Peeled off though, I thought it was.
Yeah, it was like, it literally was like at a 90-degree angle from the actual nail bed.
Yeah,
so
I didn't see it like that, but...
Yeah, that's how I saw it, and it's in so much pain. There's like actual blood underneath it as well, so that was tragic. Well, thumbs down for that actually. But yeah, we're gonna go to IKEA now.
Get some hot dogs.
Get some hot dogs and get my mirror because I really need a mirror for my filming room.
Mostly hot dogs there?
Mostly hot dogs. I'm just looking at all the mirrors, but there's nothing really that tickles my fancy. Like this one is the only one that I could potentially consider getting. But it's still quite like bulky. Like this is how it looks from the back. So I think it's just
massive,
a bit,
isn't it?
Yeah, it's just a bit too big.
The one at the range is like half the price of that.
Yeah.
And it sort of folds out, so you could lean it against somewhere.
And it's got kind of like a Victorian sort of like pattern on top of it as well. So I think it's a lot nicer. So we're probably going to go to the range, but we're still going to get the hot dogs from here.
It's the first time I've ever said IKEA is too expensive as well.
I know, yeah. Everything is usually quite cheap here, but yeah, we're gonna go to the range because that one I remember seeing it. Like I remember seeing a mirror at the range that I really wanted, so probably just gonna get it from there. We're just in the garden section of IKEA actually, and we came across this, which we quite like the look of. It's basically just like a huge planter for the garden, isn't it?
It's nice, but we could make it ourselves. It's £24.
Yeah, that is quite pricey. Again, like things at IKEA are usually like really cheap. I mean, there's a smaller version which is only £7.
Yeah, that's probably worth £7 rather than making it.
And these are fake, obviously. That looks quite nice, actually. I'd want like these for outside our house.
I think we should do more DIYs because like you always used to do DIYs on your main channel. I always do like wood
Homey
DIYs.
stuff, yeah.
So like me and you together would do some pretty cool DIYs.
Yeah, we should start doing some stuff in the summer.
Some home DIYs, yeah.
Some home DIYs.
And some outdoor stuff.
Oh yeah. But I really want those. Or well, we could make some. They do look really cool. So we've made it to the range, and this is the mirror that I want. It's really nice, isn't it? I really like it.
Pretty good.
And what's good about it is that you can have it flat against a wall, but you can also like stand it up, so it's quite portable, which is good.
Yeah, that's much better than that IKEA one.
Yeah, I like that. And it's only what, $32.99.
So it's a bit cheaper too.
Hopefully they'll have this colour though.
Lean these back more.
Careful, careful, careful. Okay, got it?
Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's fine.
Cool. Well, it's actually not even that white. It's like kind of off-white.
Yeah, it's like ivory.
Yeah. Cool, well, let's go. Right. So we have finally made it to the Voice UK. We're just at the car park now, and it actually turns out that I'm not allowed to vlog, which is really annoying because I thought I could, but because obviously it's like a live show, they're quite strict with like security. I can't even bring my phone in or anything, so I have to literally leave everything behind in the car. I'm just gonna let you guys know how everything went, and you know, I'll tell you a little bit about the show. This is the second to last episode actually, so we're actually watching the semi-final, which is really exciting, and then next Saturday is the actual final. So yeah, we're quite excited. I think today there's only going to be like 4 people go through to the finals, which is kind of, yeah, nerve-wracking for them, I guess. But yeah, I'm really gutted we can't vlog, so I will talk to you guys after. Are you excited?
Is it bank holiday today?
I think so.
It says no charges on a bank holiday.
Oh, sick! Oh, okay, cool. Alright, well, we'll speak to you guys afterwards. So guys, it is now the next day. I actually forgot to finish the vlog yesterday because the show finished quite late. I think it finished at like, what, 10 or something, and then we had to like drive home for 2 hours, so it did finish quite late, but I had so much fun and so did Matt. It was really cool to see like the show, well, the semi-finals behind the scenes and actually be there for the live performance. It was just so cool. As I said, I wasn't actually able to vlog anything, so I'm really sorry about that, but I know that there are the performances already on YouTube if you guys want to check those out. Some of the performances were just so good, so you guys definitely should check them out. But I'm gonna finish the vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog as always, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.